These Irish soda bread scones with raisins, orange, and caraway are such a fun and festive treat to make for St. Patrick's Day. You'll start by mixing together raisins or currants, caraway seeds, orange zest, and orange juice in a small bowl. Set that aside. Add white flour, whole wheat flour, sugar, baking soda, cream of tartar, and salt to a large bowl. Whisk it together and then cut a bunch of cold butter and add it to the bowl. You can use a fork or your hands to mix it up, and then go back to that raisin mixture. Drain it and add the fruit to the bowl along with buttermilk and an egg. Mix until well combined and portion out your dough. I like to use a scoop for this. Coat the dough in a little bit of flour to shape and score the tops in a crisscross. Then brush with a mixture of the drained orange juice and melted butter. Bake in the oven and then you're done. These Irish soda bread scones are delicious fresh, but can be frozen for a treat anytime with coffee or tea. Yum! Get this recipe and more at bowlofdelicious.com.